on, guys? This is my hatch. Basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically make a series of where it started from and how it got to where it's at right now, even though I'm not finished with it. But I had some videos from back then that I made about it when I first got it. The original motor that was in it, I blew that motor up already. It dropped the valve, and now it's something different in it. But this is a video of like how I got it back running, and I'm just going to do a series on how it got to where it's at right now, even though I'm not finished with it, and just go on from there. Also, I'm going to be doing a build for Honda Day, which is this car right here. I didn't really want to use it as yet, but I mean, I think it's time for me to bring it out. It's going to be a build series on this car as well. It's a EK HX model. There's a lot of junk in it right now. Just excuse the junk. 10-point chromoly cage, and hopefully I could get it done by H Day. I don't know. I'm gonna try. But before I can even get to the build for that, I'm gonna start off with this one.
Squad made the beat. Go breeze. Winner circle.
ain't in there for real. You don't know trash if you seen it, man. Probably is. So, just finished taking the H23 apart, just changing the pistons, putting in stock pistons. Like I said, nothing fancy. Anyways, this is my other hatch, Turbo LS. My baby. Also have to get it rebuilt. That's the daily. Pretty little daily, you know. Looking for my piston ring compressor. It's around here somewhere. Don't really know where. But so far so good. Yeah, so about to take the old pistons off, put it in. Hopefully it works. Nothing fancy. Like I said, it's just a stock rebuild. And yeah, that's about it for right now. This damn nigga fuckboy. So these are pistons that I'm putting on. These ones. You say you ain't find it? Shit. That's what I need help though. That motor in the way. It's kids friendly, man. You can't be cursing. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, yeah, we gotta go get a fucking the tool to install the pistons, whatever the fuck that shit name called. I don't fucking know. I lost mine. And my boy Orlando, I don't know where the fuck he just went, but he lost his as well. So we about to try to go get one from Advance right now. Yes, and it's kids friendly. You can't be cursing, fool. You never know. Some kids might want to build a fucking Honda one day. I think this nigga about to play music.
How long you about to be here?
Nigga, we working, man. We'll be here. Alright, so we gotta go finish this shit. I gotta find a ring compressor, man. Son, I swear, son. It takes a while. So, I end up better go to AutoZone to rent the piston ring compressor because Advanced bitch ass never have shit. So now I'm about to put the pistons on the stock rod and put it back in the fucking block and get it over with. So yeah, let's get back to that part.
Things that I say and things that I do won't keep quiet. Now I found you. We can go home, baby. We can just be. All I need is somebody like me. Take me up high and take me to stars. All the way I wanna go far. If I can run wild, baby, I can run free. Now I know you're somebody like me. Now I know you're somebody like me.
Alright, man, let the people know what you just did, man. So you can't tell them what you just did? Nah, it ain't no just look. Anyways, took the old fucking damaged pistons out because the fucking motor dropped the valve. Pretty much. Putting in these pistons in. Stock pistons. Stock rods. Putting those shits back in. And call it a day.
Things that I say and things that I do won't keep quiet. Now I found you. We can go home, baby. We can just be. All I need is somebody like me. Looking up high and take me to stars. All the way I wanna go far. I can run wild, baby. I can run free. Now I know you're somebody like me. Now I know you're somebody like me. Somebody like me.
Real niggas coming for your neck. Get on your knees and confess. I'm the god of the streets. Pray to me, Lord. I'm royalty. The bass is my feet on a moody night. My nigga, I'm mad. I'm not nice. An angel on a pistol bleeds murder. Spooky. Damn. I like a bad girl with nice boobies. In the hood, you ain't hood unless you go through me. My nigga, I'm Lucy. What you gonna do? Shoot me? Yes. You walking through my valley of death. My dog's barking, got 3 heads on the block. I got bitches, got hoes, I got sluts. I'm a monster with number make melanin. Niggas hating cause you fucking be most Satan. I heard Asian niggas fuck with that voodoo. Hey yo, Nappy, you know I got that. Fire flames, nigga. Damn. Real niggas coming for your neck. Get on your knees and confess. I'm the god of the streets. Pray to me, Lord. I'm royalty. The bass is my feet on a moody night. My nigga, I'm mad. I'm not nice. An angel on a pistol bleeds murder. Damn. The freaks come at night like my nigga was good. Bang, bang. My nigga, I get you right in the hood like. You ever heard a demon scream? You ever heard a nigga scream? My name is Lucy, let me affirm. My eyes red, ain't even from smoking trees. I'm high. I come from money, I kill a nigga who thinks funny. Fuck you. Honey, you need some evil dome. That's sloppy. I pull up with my Uzi inverted. Don't cross a real nigga over here. Don't do it, nigga. Nappy, let me whisper in your ear. I give you riches, forget your homies over here. Catch me outside, how about that? I get the industry banging your ass. The streets walk you because of me. I bleed the money, the money, the money, the money, the money. Damn. Damn.
Let me see if I could get a flashlight for y'all real quick. So, everything is on, and GoPro died. All the other cameras died, so I'm using my Nikon. Don't really know how to use this shit, but yeah. Just a update of what was completed.
Raindrop, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park.